guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Maths. In this video, we are going to discuss the topic square and square roots, this is part 3, and we will do questions based on the properties and interesting patterns and Pythagoras theorem which we have studied in the last video. You can check out that video on my channel. And let's start our video with our first question. We are going to do our first question. So our question is, what will be the unit digit of the square of a number? So our first number is 951. What is the square of its? What is the unit digit of its square? Means what is the unit digit? Now we don't need to take out the whole square. We will see the unit digit of this number, which is 1. So in the last video, I have discussed the square of numbers 1 to 20. So you can check out. So square of 1 is 1, as we all know. So the unit digit of the square of this number will be 1. This is our answer. The second part we will take is 673. As we know, unit digit is 3, so its square is 9. So the unit digit of square of this number will be 9. The third number I am going to take is, you see such a long number, but only we will see the unit digit and its square. So square of 5 is 25. So its unit digit will be 5. Only we have to write the unit digit. So 5. These were all easy questions, and I will give you 2 questions for homework. You can do for your practice, and it will be more easy to understand this topic for you. Guys, the homework question is this. You have to find the basically the question is same, so you can reverse the video and see the question. And another question is, okay, so let's move on the another question. Now guys, our another question is that if we know that this number basically it is 573 is not a perfect square, so we have to give reason why is it not a perfect square. So in the last video we have studied some properties. You can check it on my channel. So we have studied that numbers like 2, 3, 7 and 8, if these numbers are at any unit place of at any number, then it is not a perfect square. So here we can see this number 3 is at the units place. So this number is not a perfect square. So let me do one more example for you. This number. So here we are getting unit digit at 2. So this number is also not a perfect square. This is only the reason because it has unit digit at 2 and it has unit digit as 3. Now let's discuss another question. Another number is, basically it is the part of question number 3. So our question is that is its square even or odd? So as we know, we will see the last digit, unit digit. It is 6. 6 is an odd or even number. It is even number. So its square will also be even. So you can directly write even. We have another number. 5 is an odd number or even number. It's odd number. So its square will be odd. It is very simple question. Now let's discuss another question. Now guys, another question is that how many numbers lie between 12 and 30? Means basically square of 12 and 30. Otherwise anybody would tell. So square of 12, let's find out. It is 144. We have discussed in the last video. Square of 13 is 169. We have discussed in the last video. Squares, basically properties and everything. So you can check out. So now we will subtract these most numbers and we will get how many numbers lie between them. Let's subtract that. You will subtract greater number by smaller number. Now here we get 5, here we get 2, here 0. 25. In these both numbers, 25 numbers lie between them. So so answer to this question is 25. Now I will give you homework for this part, this question. So can you find out that how many numbers lie between 90 and square of 90 and 91? You can tell me answer in the comment section. Now let's move on to another question. Now guys, our another question is that without doing actual calculation, addition basically, find out the sum of these numbers. And another is and your homework question is you will find out for this number without doing actual calculation. So basically this is very easy. What we have to do is 1 plus 3, basically sorry we have not do any addition. So what we will do is 1, this is one number, second number, third number, fourth number and fifth number. So it has total 5 numbers. So we will take out the square of 5, which is 25. So adding all these numbers we will get 25. Now let's add and check. 9 plus 7 is 60, 16 plus 5 is 21, 21 plus 3 is 24 and 25. It's very easy. Now let's do this question. So what we will do is we will count the total numbers and we will do the square of that number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Square of 8 is 64. Let's add them and know it. 15 plus 13 is 28, 11, 39, 9 is 48, plus 7 is 54, 54, 54 plus 5 is 59, 60, 61, 61, 64. It is correct. And this is your homework question. HW. You can note this anywhere and you can tell me the answer in comments. Now let's move on another question. Now guys, our last question of this video. So what we have to do is we have to find the triplet for this number. First is 8. Not, we will change the number as we have discussed it in the examples. So I will take the triplet number as 12. Now we have to find a triplet for this number. So we have discussed a formula which is m square minus 1 2m m square plus 1. Now we know what we have to do. If you don't know, then you should check out my last video, means part 2 of this square and square root. So let's do this. M square minus 1 equals to 12. To root 13. By the way, in the next video we will discuss square root, so it will be very easy for you. So root 13 is not in any triplet, so we will leave it. We will see 2m equals to 12. M is equals to 12 by 2. If you have studied linear equation, if you have not, then you can check out my channel. There is a video based on linear equation also. 6. M is equals to 6. So I guess 6 makes a triplet. So we will now the value of m will be 6. Now we will put value of m as 6 here also. First we will put it here. 6 square plus 1. 6 square is 36 plus 1 37. And here m square minus 1. It will be 6 square minus 1 35. So our final triplet will be okay, I am writing the triplet here. Answer 12, 35 and 37. So basically triplet means 12 square plus 35 square is equals to 37 square. So we will do one more example of this triplet and then we will end our video. Now guys, we will take another number which is 15. Okay, now what we will do is we will now again use the formula. And now we will put the now we will do this. Okay. Answer is 4. You know, as the square root of 16 is 4. What we will do is we will discuss it in another video when we will study square and square root. And after that it will be very easy to understand this, what is square root, why this comes to this side and becomes square root. Now we'll put the value of m as 4 in this and this also. Eight. 17. Our triplet is answer. Triplet 4 and 17. Yes. So this is the end of our video, and before leaving or before going, you should note the homework. Thank you guys for watching my video till the last. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video and share my video as much as possible. And square and square roots part 4 is coming soon and part 3 is over. So thank you so much.